Question number 276. B, with the intent to temporarily use W's money and later on return it, instruct C with a 6-year-old son to take away W's purse containing rupees 20,000 without W's consent. C carried out the instructions. The criminal liability in this case is option A, C is guilty of theft, and B of abetment to commit theft. Option B, B does not commit any offense but C commits theft. And option C, both B and C are not guilty of any offense. And option D, B is guilty of abetment of theft and C is not guilty of any offense. Correct answer is option D, that is B is guilty of abetment of theft and C is not guilty of any offense. Because he is below 6 years child, he will comes into the category of Dolly Incapax, whereas B will be guilty of abetment of theft. Question number 277. A instigates B to instigate C to murder Z. B accordingly instigates C and C committed murder of Z. Who will be liable for the punishment? A, only C, B, only B, C, only C and B, and or D, A, B and C. Correct answer is option D, that is A, B and C, because A has instigated B and B has instigated C. Therefore, C committed murder, but abetment of an abetment will also be an offense. Question number 278. A instigates B to burn Z's house. B sets fire the home and at the same time commit theft of the property. There, A is guilty of abetting burning of Z's house only, abetting burning of house, and theft only, none of these. Correct answer is option A, that is abetting burning of Z's house only. Question number 279. X, an Indian, abets Y, an American citizen, on telephone from Ajmer to murder P, an American citizen in America. Under what section of IPC X is guilty of abetment? Section 108, Section 108A, Section 110, Section 110A. Correct answer is option B, that is section 108A. Question number 280. A in India instigates B, a foreigner in Pakistan, to commit murder in Pakistan. B commits murder. In this case, A is guilty of abetting murder. A is not guilty of any offense. A is liable for committing murder. None of the above answer is correct. Correct answer is option A, that is A is guilty of abetting murder. Question number 281. Which of the following are true in the context of abetment? A says to B, I intend to kill C. B says, do as you like. A kills C. B is guilty of abetment, instigation, abetment to murder, none of the above. Correct answer is option D, that is none of the above. Question number 282. Which one of the following statement is correct? Option A, abettor's liability is dependent on the liability of the principal offender. Option B, if the abettor is innocent, the principal offender is also not liable. Option C, abettor and principal offender may be differently liable for different offences. Option D, the principal offender may have the same guilty mind as that of the abettor. Correct answer is option C, that is abettor and principal offender may be differently liable for different offences. Question number 283. Which of the following is essential offence under section 114 of IPC? Option A, there was abetment by accused. Option B, the act was actually committed in pursuance of abetment. Option C, the accused was present while the act was being committed. And option D, all of these. Correct answer is option D, that is all of these. Question number 284. A incites B to beat C. Subsequently, A reaches the place where B is beating C. A is liable under section 34, section 109, section 114, section 115. Correct answer is section 114. Question number 285. In which alternative out of the following there are only inchoate offences? Option A, abetment, conspiracy, bigamy. Option B, abetment, conspiracy, attempt. Option C, conspiracy, attempt, bigamy. And option D, kidnapping, abetment, sedition. Correct answer is option B, that is abetment, conspiracy and attempt. Inchoate offences are incomplete offences, and option B is the correct answer. Abetment, conspiracy and attempt are the inchoate offences. Question number 286. Match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer by using the codes given below. List 1. Abetment of an abetment is an offence. Correct answer is section 108 of IPC explanation 4. Option B, abetment of illegal omission. Correct answer is section 108 explanation 1. Third, person abetted need not be capable by law of committing an offence. Correct answer is section 108 explanation 3. And the last, effect of abetment is immaterial. Correct match for this is section 108 of IPC explanation 2nd. Therefore, the correct answer for this in the given option will be option D. Question number 287. In which section of IPC the definition of criminal conspiracy is given? Correct answer is option B, that is section 120A. The definition of criminal conspiracy is given. Question number 288. Under which provision of IPC punishment for criminal conspiracy is given? Correct answer is option A, that is section 120B. The punishment for criminal conspiracy is given. Question number 289. To constitute an offence of criminal conspiracy under IPC, what is necessary condition to be proved? Option A, there must be a prior meeting of 2 or more persons. Option B, there must be an agreement of 2 or more persons to do an illegal act or to do an legal act by illegal means. Option C, a person does an illegal act with the help of 2 or more persons. And option D, 2 or more persons commit a crime, sudden provocation with guilty mind. Here the correct answer is option B, that is there must be an agreement of 2 or more persons to do an illegal act or to do a legal act by illegal means. This is the correct answer. Question number 290. An agreement is designated as criminal conspiracy if 2 or more persons agree to do an illegal act. Some illegal act is done by all the parties to such agreement in pursuance thereof. Any illegal act is done by at least one party to such agreement, none of the above. Correct answer is option A, that is 2 or more persons agree to do an illegal act. Question number 291. Which of the following case is known as Lamington Road shooting conspiracy case? Options are R versus Blake and Ty, In Ray and Ramaratnam, Emperor versus Vaishampayam, Mirza Akbar versus King Emperor. Correct answer is option C, that is Emperor versus Vaishampayam. Question number 292. Which one of the following is not an ingredient of offense of criminal conspiracy? Options are the agreement between 2 or more persons who are alleged to conspire. The agreement should be to do an illegal act. Option C, the agreement should be to do an act which, though not illegal, but is done by illegal means. And option D, some overt act in pursuance of the agreement is always necessary to be done even if the agreement is to commit an offense. Correct answer is option D. This is not the ingredient of offense of criminal conspiracy, and other 3 options given are the ingredient of criminal conspiracy. Question number 293. For criminal conspiracy, minimum number of persons required is 7, 5, 2, 3. Correct answer is 2. For criminal conspiracy, minimum 2 persons are required. Question number 294. What is not necessary to constitute an offense of criminal conspiracy? 2 or more persons, 5 or more persons, agreement to cause illegal act if act is not crime, to do some act in pursuance of the agreement. Correct answer is option B, that is 5 or more persons. Only 2 persons are required to constitute an offense of criminal conspiracy where there is an agreement to cause illegal act and if act is not crime, to do some act in pursuance of the agreement. Question number 295. For the offense of conspiracy, following is not true. Option A, minimum 2 persons required. Offense is heavily mental in its composition. Conspiracy is a rule of evidence. Mere agreement to do anything contrary to law is punishable. Correct answer is option C, conspiracy is a rule of evidence. For the offense of conspiracy, this statement is not correct. Other statements are correct. Question number 296. When 2 or more persons agree to do or cause to be done an illegal act or an act which is not illegal by illegal means, such an agreement is option A, designated as criminal conspiracy. Option B, designated as a criminal abetment. Option C, both criminal conspiracy and abetment. And option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option A, that is designated as criminal conspiracy. Question number 297. X and Y agree to commit theft in Z's house, but no theft is actually committed. They are guilty of no offense, criminal conspiracy, abetment by instigation. Correct answer is option B. They will be guilty of criminal conspiracy. Question number 298. When A dies as a result of the act of violence by person B, person C not present at the scene of crime can be prosecuted under IPC. Option A, under section 120A and 120B of IPC, under section 141 to 149 of IPC for the act done in furtherance of the common intention, section 34 of the IPC for vicarious liability as C was aware of the offence was likely to be committed by V. Correct answer is option A, that is under section 128 to 120B of the IPC. Question number 299. A and B plan to murder C. The next day they are guilty of the offence of planning, the offence of criminal conspiracy, the offence of attempt to murder, no offence. Correct answer is the offence of criminal conspiracy. Question number 300. Which of the following case is known as the Nasik conspiracy case? Correct answer is Vinayak Damodar Savarkar case is known as the Nasik conspiracy case.